The Nissan Altima key fob battery replacement process is straightforward. First, locate the seam or release button on the side or bottom of your key fob. Using a flathead screwdriver or a key, gently pry open the plastic case. Avoid using excessive force to prevent cracking the case. Be careful not to lose the physical key blade if your fob has one. The tools needed are minimal, typically just a small flathead screwdriver or a similar tool to pry open the case. Once the key fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note its orientation with the positive side facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation, positive side up. Incorrect polarity can cause immediate failure. Snap the case back together securely, ensuring it's fully closed. Test the key fob functionality to confirm the replacement was successful. Common mistakes include incorrect battery polarity, which causes immediate failure, or over-tightening the case, leading to cracks.